Hi guys, I completely forgot about recording the intro for this video, but basically in this video we are going to install some bucket seats and some harness. So let's crack on with the video now. Right, so to remove the seat is really straightforward. I already started removing the clips or the protections here, the plastic covers. So you remove 4 of them. That will show you the bolts that attach the seats to the chassis. You're gonna also have to disconnect the airbag, not the sensors, the airbag plugs. Again, straightforward. And as I mentioned, is 4 bolts. Let's see if I can do it with the other hand. There's also 2 in the back. So let's crack on with it. So we're going to use a 15mm socket. This. Up. That's it. So before you remove completely the seat, you're gonna have to disconnect all these sensors. They are for the airbag and for the seat sensor, the pressure sensor, I believe. So you're gonna have to remove all of that. So for these clips, usually what I tend to do is to click on the clip itself, push it forward, so that way, and then backwards. There we go. So for this one, it's a bit easier. So you see that they slide, so you just slide them, and as you do that, push it off. Right, I'm gonna show you how I've removed this one. So it's not that easy, but it's not too bad. So you see this black tab, it goes, I don't know if I could keep it straight, it's really hard to film it, but you see it's going up and down. So you push, you grab it like this and you push the black piece backwards and you slide that off. So I'll try to mimic. It's really hard to do this with one hand. So you push it, and with your other hand you slide it that way, and we are ready to go. This is heavy, very heavy. Right, so this exposes the 4 points where we're gonna attach the base. So let's crack on with that. There we go. Take that one, so we can start putting screws here. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and torque this one. So I searched online and I found like they should be around 40 pounds of torque. So this is what I found online, so don't quote me on that. There's a pattern to do apparently, which is front right, left, front left, back right, and left back, or back left, sorry. So let's go with that. There we go. At this point I then realized that it will be much easier to install the seat rails and the seats outside of the car, so I then proceeded to remove the seat base.
A few moments later.
Okay, now I got the side mounts on. Hopefully we can get the bucket seats on. There we go, guys. So the bucket seat is now assembled. It took me a bit of time. It's not like perfect fit, but at least I didn't have to drill. Any other extra holes for this one once I've set this up. So that's pretty much it. The only thing I need to slightly tweak is this bar here, because as you can see is way off at the moment, so I hope I can bend it slightly and get everything in place. Right, so now we're gonna attempt to install the harness. So these are 4-point harness. And let me show what we got. So this is just one of them. It's 2 pieces. There we go. They are 4-point harness. We got the installation guide here, just to guide us through what we have to do. But firstly we need to find where we're gonna attach these mounts. Here in the back you got plenty of choices, as you can see. So I'm gonna go with this one here, and for this one here it should work fine. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use all the stuff I got from their gears. For example, this little sleeve, it won't fit on that one, but we'll see, and I'll give it a go.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing it really, really well.
Should be this one, this one. Okay, just like that, we got the 2 ones in the back sorted. So that's for the shoulder ones. Now for the waist ones, we're gonna use this bolt here. I think we can use that one, and yeah, we can use that one, and hopefully it should be okay. See if I'm attaching to the... So that's the seat belt part done. So I decided to go this way, because if it pulls it stays straight there. Now the tricky bit. So the tricky bit here is like on the handbrake side. So for those guys in UK, obviously right hand drive side, this is a UK car, you won't find much anchor points
on your left side. I've asked this on Facebook page modified FN2, but again this is supposed to be like a road track car, so I don't want to drill or weld any plates. If I end up to that extent, then I'll get a full roll cage, and that means I won't need those anchor points anyway. So after much discussion with some of the guys, I decided to go to the seat mount, which is not ideal, but is better than what we have. I'll show you what I mean. So this is not done yet, by the way. Just trying to see how it looks, but you see you've got the seat mount there. There's no much. I mean, these plates are not good enough for any anchoring here, so there you go. So this is the harness mounting positions all in place, but it wouldn't be FN2 ops without some cinematics. So let's roll the cinematics.
Right guys, so this is the end of the video. As I've mentioned, I didn't film the proper outro before. I've been stitching videos together to get one major video. So remarks about this video. So in the end we went with the sliders on the driver's side and a fixed position on the passenger side. So you must be wondering how much weight in total did I save with these bucket seats, and the answer is I'm not giving it to you. If you want to see pretty much how much I've saved, you're gonna have to check my mate's yard speed video. I'm gonna leave a link somewhere here or even in the description, so you're gonna have to check his video and see how much weight reduction you can get from this seat. Obviously I'm straight on the back, so I'm even more lighter than he is, but in terms of bucket seats compared to the stock seats, he has an accurate scale, so he will be able to give you a better reading than I would do on my normal scales. So go check out his video. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully this will be useful for anyone installing some bucket seats and even removing the seats for cleaning or stuff like that. So leave in the comments below what you think about this different option that I went through, which is the seat mount base from OMP. I don't think it's very common on UK, but I think it's an affordable way to also get a mount.